Top 5 Best Bowling Balls. Number 5. Hammer Black Widow Legend Bowling Ball. If your local bowling alley is swimming in heavy oiled lanes, the Hammer Black Widow Legend is the best bowling ball for you. Several PBA bowlers use the Hammer Black Widow Legend as their strike ball of choice when oil density gets heavy. Combining unheard of durability for a reactive bowling ball with sharp reactivity, the Hammer Black Widow Legend is an absolute powerhouse. The first of 2 Black Widow offerings on this list, the Legend is an angular bowler's best friend. Pros. The Hammer Black Widow Legend has one of the most aggressive cover stocks on this list. It turns oil into gold with the right shot behind it. Its gas mask core is one of the most beloved and powerful bowling ball cores out there. It's earned its sterling reputation. Comes with a 3-year warranty which will keep your worries at bay and ensure you get maximum play life out of the ball. Cons. If you are not an advanced bowler who can tame an extremely reactive bowling ball, stay away. This ball may be too much for you. Not the bowling ball for budget-conscious bowlers. This one is an investment. Coming in number 4. Pyramid Path Rising Bowling Ball. Are you looking for a fantastic compromise of medium-oiled mastery and consistent spare shooting? The Pyramid Path Rising Bowling Ball is an entry-level reactive ball that gives you just enough hook to use as a starter's hook ball, but enough consistency to be a strong spare bowling ball when needed. With adjustable finger holes for different hand sizes and a maximum weight allowed of 16 pounds, the Pyramid Path Rising is a malleable ball that can do different things for different bowlers. Pros. If you're looking for a middle ground between plastic balls and high-performance hook shooters, this is the path to success. It handles medium oil well and offers a consistent motion down the lane. For those just learning how to hook a ball, this is a fantastic teaching aid. Cons. There isn't a ton of hook potential here, reactive resin cover stock or not. It might be somewhat unwieldy for some straight shooters, especially beginners. Coming in number 3. Hammer Black Widow 2.0 Bowling Ball. If you love the classic asymmetric gas mask core and want a ball that turns your body weight into pure power down the lane, grab yourself the revamped Hammered Black Widow 2.0 bowling ball right away. The powerful aggression solid reactive cover stock turns heavy oil into liquid gold, offering more back-end dynamite and mid-lane hook than the original Hammered Black Widow. Straight bowlers should steer away from this hook-happy hammer ball. It's a real treat for those who need some breakpoint sharpness and entry angle creativity in their bowling lives. Pros. If you love the original Black Widow, you're going to be infatuated with the tweaks employed in the Hammer Black Widow 2.0. The back-end motion is big, bruising, and bold. It's a real treat to watch. Medium oil is a perfect balance for this ball. It hooks so well when everything is level on the lanes. Cons. The drier the lanes get, the worse this ball tends to react and hold. The sharp breakpoint reaction might scare some bowlers off. Coming in number 2. Motiv Venom Shot Bowling Ball. A high-performance bowling ball for bowlers of all different shots and styles, the Motiv Venom Shock is a malleable, trusted standout that can do it all for all kinds of people. No matter the length, density, or complexity of the oil pattern you're faced with, the Motiv Venom Shock can blend and build energy for a big back-end crash. It's one of the most consistent high-performance bowling balls ever produced, and it's one of the most popular in the marketplace for that very reason. Motiv Venom Shock Pros. The Motiv Venom Shock offers an amazingly smooth ride down the lane for a high-performance reactive resin ball. Different shot styles can unlock this ball in different ways. It's one of the most trusted and well-reviewed high-performance bowling balls out there. It's also sold at a very fair suggested price. Cons. It doesn't offer the kind of hook potential synonymous with more aggressive balls on the market. Don't take this ball out in extremely dry conditions. It won't react well. Coming in number 1. Storm Phaze 4 Bowling Ball. While we're cheating a bit since this ball hasn't been officially released as of this writing, the utter anticipation for the Storm Phaze 4 bowling ball gives it an easy spot at the top of this list. The Storm Phaze series has been big money for Storm, and the 4th installment is primed to be the best of them all. Listed as one of the most aggressive symmetric core bowling balls ever created, the Storm Phaze 4 is said to combine unparalleled length and angularity for a non-asymmetrical core ball. We're ready to take out for a test drive or 10. Pros. The bowling world always lines up for the release of a new Storm ball, and the Storm Phaze 4 is one of the most sought-after new releases they've ever announced. A hyper-aggressive symmetric ball with great length and even better power? Sign us up! If you've ever played with a Storm Phaze ball, you're rightfully excited about this one. Cons. We have yet to test this ball ourselves, so we're still kinda in the dark so far. We worry that the symmetrical core might eliminate some hook creativity for those who want major aggression.